I'm Cass, that's Claudia, that's Donna. we're going down. We're going down. Shh. You guys, you have to be quiet like a ninja. Do what Andres taught you. Yeah, do what Andres taught us. Go down, go down. Code red, code red, code red. We have to throw a slipper. Is anyone in there? We have to look through the mirror. Oh, I see the red dot. Oh no, that's the camera.
What the heck?
We have to open it. I can't open it. There's no one in there. They're not there. Our adventure. That was our adventure. Because we're ninjas. And Blue.
Hi, Blue. Hi, Blue. Hi, Blue.
Us ninjas are on the plan. We're trying to get our chicken fries.
Oh my god, let's see Blue.
Where are they?
Careful, Blue.
Where do you think they are? Oh, I think they went inside already. They went through the back. Paulo, Stephanie.
Close it.
I'm scared.
Just close it.
I'm scared.
Close it, lock it, and run.
That's not what ninjas do. Yeah! Okay, we have to go. Like a ninja. Like a ninja. Move, Blue. Open the door.
Dude, it was closed.
Chicken fries.
No, it was closed.
Ah, you guys are. Oh, I hate you.
We couldn't find it. Then when we got there, it was closed.
Oh, dog jumping. So like we didn't get our chicken fries.